Which electric train set is actually good for kids? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 sets that could spark joy and imagination in your little ones. Product number 1, Stay Fun Electric Train Set. The Stay Fun train set for toddlers is not just any train set, it's a vibrant adventure. At $27.99, this bestseller caught my eye with its bright colors and engaging features. If you want your child to immerse themselves in imaginative play, this is worth a serious look. The steam effect, complete with music and lights, means your little one will be fascinated as they watch the train move and puff steam, enhancing sensory engagement. Plus, it's rated 4.5 stars from nearly 200 reviews, showing it's a popular choice for parents looking to keep their kids entertained. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky for really young kids. Here's the thing though, while it might need a bit of adult help, once it's together, the joy it brings is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe, fun, and colorful introduction to the world of trains for toddlers. Skip this one if your child is older and looking for something more complex. At this price, it's a great entry-level gift. Now, if the assembly aspect of the Stay Fun set bothers you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Giant Bean Fire Station Train Set. The Giant Bean 72 PCS Fire Station Train Set is a real treat for little rescue enthusiasts. Priced at $32.48, it's a great blend of creativity and play. If your child loves imaginative scenarios, this one's worth a serious look. Why this matters for you is simple. This set includes not just trains, but a whole fire station, vehicles, and a ton of accessories that inspire imaginative play. The battery-operated locomotive can move forward and reverse, which adds a little high-tech fun to the mix. Plus, with a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,600 reviews, it's clear that parents are impressed with its quality and educational value. Now, a few reviews pointed out that the pieces can be a bit small and may pose a choking hazard. While that's an important consideration, if your child is over 3 and supervised, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a little firefighter in the house who loves creative storytelling. Skip this one if you're looking for a purely train-focused set. The value you get for the price is really solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who want a classic train experience. Product number 3, Atlasonics Electric Train Set. Next up is the Atlasonics Electric Train Set, priced at just $24.98. This one stood out with its classic design and fun accessories. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers excitement, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. The set includes a steam locomotive and 8 tracks plus model horses, which can spark creative play. The lights and sounds add a delightful touch, making it a great introduction to the world of trains for young kids. With a rating of 4.1 stars from nearly 2,800 reviews, it's popular among parents who want to inspire a love for trains in their children. But here's the catch. Some users mention that the tracks can come apart easily, leading to frustration during play. Honestly, while this might annoy some, it also encourages problem solving as kids figure out how to set it back up. This is perfect for you if you want a fun introduction to electric trains without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're after a more advanced train experience. It's a fantastic value for the price. Now, if the track assembly issue with the Atlasonics set is something that concerns you, the next option is a totally different ballgame. Product number 4, MORECOLL Electric Train Set. The MORECOLL train set is another fantastic choice, priced at $32.38. This set initially grabbed my attention with its fun cartoon design and variety of vehicles. If you want something that keeps your kids entertained for hours, this one's definitely worth considering. The steam feature combined with music makes it engaging, and the 4.5-star rating from nearly 500 reviews shows it's resonated with many families. It also has 3 adjustable sound modes, which is a nice touch for those quieter playtimes. However, a few users found the assembly a bit complex, especially if the kids are trying to help. I get that frustration, But once it's set up, the fun factor is pretty high, and it's a great way to boost problem-solving skills. This is perfect for you if your child enjoys interactive play with lots of various vehicles. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward train setup. The entertainment value justifies the price tag. Now, if the complexity of the MORECOLL set is a concern, the final product on my list takes simplicity to heart. Product number 5, Toy Life Wooden Train Set. Lastly, we have the Toy Life Wooden Train Set priced at $59.79. This is a big one with 119 pieces that allow for a lot of creativity. If you want a complete set that offers endless play possibilities, this is worth your attention. What's great about this set is that it's not just a train set. It encourages kids to build their own towns with various themed blocks. It's compatible with major brands, so you can expand your child's collection easily. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's a trusted option for parents looking for something long-lasting. That said, the price is higher than others on this list, and a few parents have mentioned that some pieces can be a bit fragile. Here's the thing though, if your kids are gentle with their toys, this set can provide years of imaginative play. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive playset that promotes creativity. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. The quality and educational value are well worth the investment. To wrap up, we've covered some fantastic electric train sets. The Stay Fun set for toddlers, the Giant Bean Fire Station for imaginative play, the budget-friendly Atlasonics, the engaging MORECOLL set, and the comprehensive Toy Life Wooden Train set. Each option has its unique strengths, so think about what matches your child's interests best. Happy train adventures!